Hi everyone, just a few things before we start. This video is exclusive para sa mga tao na nakabili or bumili na ng practice kit, which includes yung practice test set 1 and practice test set 2. So, although I know na marami sa inyo ang gusto ring tulungan yung mga kaopisina ninyo or friends ninyo or family members ninyo na pumasa ng civil service exam, I would like to ask you, please do it as a favor to me na wag niyo sana i-share yung link na pinadala ko sa inyo. The reason why hindi siya para sa lahat is because, syempre, yung mga nagbayad nung due para dun sa booklet, sila yung dapat maka-access nito. It will also help them kasi ganito yun. If makukuha nila yung explainer video, tas wala sila nung booklet, ano pa yung sense nung booklet, 'di ba? Para pa sila makakapag-practice. So, ang ideal talagang setup sa akin, which I firmly believe in, is that i-take nyo muna yung practice test booklet sa sarili ninyo, figure it out kung saan kayo nahihirapan, and then go back to this video to learn how I solve the problem. So, it's not going to be a full and in-depth explainer sa theories. I'm going to walk through this and show you the way that I solve these problems. Ngayon, if ang problema ninyo is time, pagdating sa civil service exam, ibig sabihin lagi kayo nakukulangan sa time, I hope makakuha kayo ng ilang techniques sa kung paano ko ginagawa yung bagay-bagay at kung paano ko sinasolve yung mga problems. Kasi how I do things can be a little different from how most people do it. So I really hope na may matutunan kayo. Okay, so this is practice test set 1 walkthrough, and this is only going to cover numerical reasoning. The reason kung bakit putol-putol is kasi mahirap talaga mag-upload ng malalaking file sa YouTube, and it's either naka-cut off siya or sobrang tagal niya for me to upload. So, let's start. So, number 1, what is 3, 4, 60 times 25? Ang i-employ kong technique dito, which I know if naka-attend kayo sa mga review sessions, is the last digit rule. And also, if nakikita nyo yung chunking natin, speed math by 5. If there are any videos na tingin ko na nag-exist na tingin ko makakatulong sa inyo to understand itong mga sinasabi kong techniques, I'm going to post them, a link to them within the video that you can click on para mapanood nyo yun. Pero right now, I'm going to go through it nga, like I said, kung paano ko siya i-solve. So, just looking at these numbers, 3, 4, 60, tsaka 25, ang dulong number nito is 0. Okay? So, pag any number na i-multiply mo na may 0 sa dulo, parang 250 times 10, alam mo na agad na it's basically 25 times 1. Tapos lalagyan mo na 0 sa dulo. So, by process of elimination, alam mo agad, hindi ito pwedeng maging sagot. Do you get my point? The reason for that is, again, pag 0, tsaka 5, ang multiply mo last digit, 0 na agad yung sagot. And, kung tatanggalin mo naman to at i-multiply mo na lang yung 25 times 3, 4, 6, at sa dulo mo na lang siya i-add yung 0, same principle. Hindi na pwedeng itong dalawa yung sagot. So, nakita ninyo yung bilis nun. Kahit na at first glance pa lang, hindi pa ako nagsosolve, alam ko na na-eliminate ko na yung dalawang sagot. Okay? Ang tamang sagot dyan would be this. Okay? Letter B. Bakit? Kasi ganito yun. Again, looking at this, no, tinanggal na natin yung 0 na ganyan natin sa dulo. Ito na yung susunod natin i-multiply. Last digit rule, ang sabihin, yung dalawang last digit ng numbers, kung ano yung product niyan, ma-retain or maiiwan yung last digit niyan. So, 5 times 6 is 30. Ang last digit niya ay 0. So, tingin mo pa lang, alam mo na yung sagot has 2 0 sa dulo at isang sagot lang ang meron nun, which is letter B. Okay, 86,500. So, yan na yung sagot. Kahit hindi mo i-solve all throughout itong equation na to, hindi mo na kailangan kasi alam mo na yung sagot. Okay? Number 2, x squared minus 8x plus 16 is, ngayon, ito ay factoring ng trinomial. If you're not familiar with your algebra, you're going to have a bit of tricky time sa mga ganitong klaseng tanong. The sad part is, from what I heard sa mga dating nag-exam, laging may lumalabas na at least 1 or 2 na ganito. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo siya mag-gets, hindi ko naman sinasabi na babagsak na kayo sa exam, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin is bumawi kayo sa ibang areas. Pero, if you can learn this, magandang way siya for you to top the exam. So, ito yung mga sinasabi kong hindi ka naman babagsak talaga pag nagkamali ka. These are questions that you can not know the answer to and still pass. Okay? Pero explain ko kung paano siya nakukuha. Pag ganito, usually, okay, meron tayong tinatawag na special products pagdating sa binomials. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng special products? Take, for example, itong letter C. 8 minus 4 squared. Okay, ibig sabihin yan is just x minus 4, okay, times x minus 4. Okay? At ang rule dito is FOIL. So, multiply mo yung first, magiging x squared. Multiply mo yung outside, which is negative 4x. Inside, which is also negative 4x. And then, isusquare, etong dulong to, sila naman ang imumultiply mo. Negative 4 times negative 4, which is 16. Okay? Ngayon, looking at it right away, alam mo na ito yung sagot kasi x squared. Tapos, negative 8x is, ito, basically yun, negative 4x plus negative 4x. And 16, ito. Okay? Ngayon, paano ka magiging familiar with these? Practice, practice, practice. I'll post a link down below sa comment section. Meron akong worksheets available for these type of problems sa website sa teamlaika.com. Okay? Ngayon, anong clue dyan? Pag nakakita kayo ng trinomial na ganito ang itsura, okay? So, negative 8x is basically twice a certain number. Okay? 2 times a certain number. At yung dulo niya naman is that same number, okay, squared. At nakikita mo negative siya, then it's probably going to be like this. Okay? Pero, isa lang ang mamali dyan, katulad kung gagawin natin siyang x squared plus 8x plus 16, hindi na siya pwedeng maging ito. Okay? Bakit? Kasi hindi na magiging negative 8 yung nasa gitna. Ang mangyayari na dyan would be x plus 4 squared. Yan naman ang kanyang factor. Okay? Ngayon, let's move along. Okay, so number 3, Mary scored 84 on her first test and 81 on her second test. She has one more test to take. If she wants to have an average of 85 on all 3 tests, what score should she get on her removal test? Ngayon, ang equation ng ganitong klaseng tanong is going to be like this. 84 plus 81 plus x, which is yung hinahanap natin. Okay? Kasi ang x yung laging yung nawawala. Again, sa math lang yan, hindi sa totoong buhay. Huwag nyo nang hanapin ang x ninyo. Okay? 84 plus 81 plus x all over 3 is equal to 85. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo alam kung paano kayo mag-arrive dito sa solution na to, dito sa equation na to, or naguguluhan kayo, there's another way. Ito yung technique na ginagawa namin magkakapatid. Okay, so ang target mo is 85 ang average. Right? Ngayon, for 85 to be the average, kailangan basically, okay, ang pinakamadaling way na maging average yung 85 ay lahat ng tatlong scores ay maging 85. Okay, so ito yung goal mo. Okay, yung ngayon, hindi yan ang nangyari. Kasi ang score niya doon sa unang test ay 84 lang, sa pangalawa, 81 lang, at doon sa pangatlo, hindi natin alam. Okay, ngayon, para mahatak yung grade niya, okay, kailangan nating isa-isang dagdagan. Okay, sa utak lang. So, dagdagan itong mga score na to para maging 85. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Yung 85 na baseline, ibig sabihin ito yung minimum, okay, na pwede niyang gawin, na score sa last 3 test, sa last test niya. Dito tayong sisimula to count para punan yung kulang nung dalawang test, okay? So, ngayon, 85 plus, tingnan natin to, 84 siya, kailangan maging 85, so kailangan plus 1. Ito naman, 81 siya, kailangan maging 85 yung score para maging 85 yung average. So, kailangan gawin ay plus 4. So, basically, ang sagot ay 85 plus 1 plus 4 or 90. Alright? Ngayon, tama ba yung sagot natin? I-try natin siyang gawin. So, magiging 84 plus 81. Okay, so again, pagdating nyo sa exam, hindi nyo kailangan i-check to ha. 90 all over 3 kailangan maging 85. Yan. At para maging mas valid yung ating little exercise na ito, gawin natin ng calculator. 84 plus 81 plus 90 is 255 divided by 3 is 85. So, if you see there, right there, it's 85. Tama tayo. Ang sagot ay letter D, 90. Okay? So, again, nakita nyo yung time na sa-save ninyo. Pag nakita nyo tong question na to, nagsimula na kayo sa 85, tingnan nyo yung unang test, 84. Okay, so 86. Tapos yung 81, 90. And then you have the answer. Kahit wala kayo nitong equation na to, ang magulo at mahaba. Okay? Next. If angles 1 and 3 each measure 49 degrees, angles 2 and 4 measure what? There is a video, I'll put the link to that video up here, na in which I talk about complementary and supplementary angles. Ganun yung gagamitin natin here. Kasi if you look at this, yung angle 1 and angle 3, so ito yon, yan daw sila ay 49. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin ay ang angle na supplementary sa kanila. Kasi if you look at this, okay, 180 degrees itong total na ito. So, any two angles, paired angles, na ang sum ay 180 degrees, ang tawag natin doon ay supplementary angle. Ang hinahanap natin yung supplementary angle ng 49. So, ang gagawin lang natin is 180 minus 49, or para mas madali ang buhay, it's basically 131. Okay, ngayon, pareho silang 131. Meron tayong theorem sa geometry na gano'n, na if ang dalawang parallel lines, like this line and this line, is intersected by a straight line, okay, which is this line, yung mirror image nila, yun yung same angles. So, yung angle, pansinin nyo yung angles 1 and 3, pareho sila ng degrees, at yung angles 2 and 4 naman ay pareho ng degrees. But higher math na yan, you don't need that. Basta ang tandaan ninyo, pag straight line, or 180 degrees yung angle, pag dalawa sila, ang sum nila dapat 180 degrees in order for it to be a supplementary angle. Let's move along. Number 5, it takes Henry 3 hours to wash his truck. It takes Harriet 8 hours to wash the same truck. How long will it take if they wash Henry's truck together? Ngayon, ang solution nito is like this, okay? It will be 1 over yung work na kayang gawin ni Henry. So, 1 over 3. Kasi magkasama sila, so it's plus 1 over 8, which is yung work ni Harriet, times, hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal sila mag-work together, which is the x na hinahanap natin. How long will it take? Okay? Is equal to 1. Yung 1 na ito is the work, which is washing Henry's truck once. Okay? So, ang long solution yan would be like this. I-add nyo muna tong dalawang to. The only way you can do that would be to find the least common multiple nilang dalawa. So, 8, 16, 24. Okay? 24. And this will be 8 plus 3. Okay? X is equal to 1. Ngayon, looking at the options again, no, nakikita ninyo decimal point siya. So, meron ka na onting clue na bababa kayo sa decimal level. Ayun, 8 plus 3 over 24, that is 11 over 24x is equal to 1. Ayun, there's something quick na I'm going to do na baka maguluhan kayo, pero believe me on this, kasi ganito ang mangyayari. In order for you to cancel this fraction na magulong tingnan, okay, ang ginagawa ng ibang tao would be, multiply muna yung 24 dun sa side, tapos i-divide mamaya. Pero you can do it really quickly, ganito yung concept. Pag babalik ta rin nyo lang yung fraction na nandito, i-multiply mo siya sa both sides. Para ito ay maging 1, kasi nakikita nyo makakancel to, makakancel, cancel, magiging 1x. Maiiwan ngayon yung 24 over 11, okay, sa kabilang side. So, x is equal to 24 over 11 or 2 and 2 over 11. Ngayon, looking at this, isa lang naman ang may 2 sa harap, ito na yung sagot. Okay? Pero, there is actually an even quicker way. Okay? So, hold your horses. Huwag kayong mataranta. Let me just reset this page right here. Okay, so same question. Alright? Same question, hindi na natin i-long cut. Merong trick akong ginagawa about this, which is very useful, lalo na sa civil service exam. Kasi sa experience ko, ang pagkakaiba ng difficulty ng UPCAT or ng LAE over civil service exam are the options, hindi yung questions. Usually, the questions are almost the same. Kaya lang, yung number of options na pwedeng maging sagot kung manghuhula ka, dumadami siya habang humihirap yung test. Ngayon, paano mo malalaman, eliminate ko ano yung mga hindi pwedeng maging sagot dito? Ito yung concept. Alright? So, kung si Henry, 3 hours siya mag-isa, at si Harriet, 3 hours siya kung mag-isa. Kung magtutulong sila, there is no way, okay, it's mathematically impossible, na pag nagtulong sila, okay, ay tataas yung babagal silang gumawa. Okay? Mathematically. Pero, syempre, sa totoong buhay, hindi yan totoo. Kasi alam ko, naka-experience na kayo ng friend or groupmate sa thesis, yung ganon, na sana hindi nyo na lang in-invite kasi lalo kayong bumagal nung dumating siya or hindi na kayo nakatapos. Okay? Pero sa math, hindi ganon. So, kung si Henry 3 hours siya, okay, gumawa. Si Harriet, 8 hours siya gumawa. Kung may tutulong kay Henry, look at Henry muna. Kung may tutulong sa kanya kahit isang tao, ano yung mangyayari sa number ng hours na kaya niyang gumawa? Tataas o bababa? Diba? Kung kunyari ako, magpipintura ako ng isang bahay, it will take me 4 days. Kung may tutulong sa akin na isa kahit tiga-abot lang ng paintbrush, ano mangyayari? Mas bibilis akong tumabaho, right? So, kung 3 hours siya, mas mababa sa 3 yung sagot, right? Ganun din kay Harriet. Kung may tutulong sa kanya, bababa rin sa 3. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Kung ano yung sagot mo, yung answer mo, yung X natin, should always be less than yung work na ginagawa ng bawat individual. So, ibig sabihin, it should be less than 3 and it should be less than 8. Okay? Ngayon, conceptually, madali na lang tandaan na kung alin yung mas mababa na number dun sa dalawang nagtatrabaho, yung answer mo should be even lower than that. Okay? Ano yung mas mababa? 8 or 3? Di ba ang sagot is 3? So, hahanap kayo ngayon sa sagot na to kung ano yung mga numbers na mas mababa sa 3. And kung titingnan ninyo siya, hindi na pwede to, hindi pwede to, hindi pwede to. So, ang answer would be letter B. Wala ka pang sinusolve, alam mo na yung sagot. Kung sanay kayo dito sa technique na to, it will save you a lot of time. Kasi, alam nyo yan, itong mga work problems na to, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-tricky na sagutan. Okay? So, I hope you learned something from that. Number 6. What is the measurement of the unknown angle? So again, these are complementary, supplementary angles. Merong lesson sa YouTube available for that sa Team Laika na channel. Kailangan nyo lang gawin is 90 dahil ito ay right angle or kalahati ng 180. 90 minus 65.16 which is 24.84. Okay? Number 7, what is 5423 times 51? So again, last digit rule. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kabilis. 3 and 1. Yung last digit na yan, yung mariretain yan. 3 times 1 is 3. Ito lang ang may 3 sa ending. So hindi na pwede to, hindi na pwede to, hindi na pwede to. Ang sagot ay letter D. Oh, may sinulat ba ako? Did I solve anything on my paper? Wala. Pero tapos na yung sagot. Number 8, Mrs. Rodriguez needs 9,300 kilos of soil to fill the foundations of a construction project. If soil is sold in 50 kilo bags, how many bags does she need to buy? Ngayon, this is a seemingly simple question pero maraming naguguluhan dito kasi hindi na alam ko anong gagawin ko dun sa 9,300 at 50. Diba? Kasi ang sinasabi ng mga teachers natin ng elementary, look at the given. Ngayon, meron kang dalawang given. May 9,300 at 50. Ngayon, question. I-multiply mo ba to? I-divide mo ba to? Anong gagawin mo dito? Ngayon, ang susunod is to look at the options. If you look at the options, wala namang mas marami sa 9,300 which would happen if you multiply mo siya. So, ang gagawin mo na would be to divide. Okay? 9,300 divided by 50. Kasi yun naman talaga yung long cut na method nun. Ngayon, paano pa yun mapapadali? This is how I do it. Okay? Alam ko na sa bawat 100 kilos ng soil ay merong dalawang 50. Right? Ngayon, looking at this number, this is basically 93 na 100. Right? 93 na 100. Okay? So, anong kailangan kong gawin para makuha yung sagot? Ang gagawin ko lang would be, dahil sa bawat 100 na to ay may dalawang 50, ang gagawin ko lang ay 93 times 2. Okay? Now, last digit rule, 3 and 2, 6 ang dulo, hindi na pwede to, hindi na pwede to, dalawa na lang yung pinagpipilian mo. Pero kung ikaw ba mag-multiply ng 93 at 2, pwede bang 96 lang sagot? Syempre, hindi yan pwedeng sagot. Common sense lang yun. Kasi, addition lang yun plus 3 lang. So, ang sagot mo would be letter A. Okay? Number 9. Ito, 9 times 6 plus 4, negative 4 squared plus negative 16. The quantity, 9 times 6 plus negative 4 squared plus 16. Okay. PEMDAS to. Again, meron akong explainer nito. Meron tayong link dun sa website with the worksheets down below. You can look at that and practice para ma-hone kayo dito sa skill na to. I know, ang daming nagulat daw last time na may mga ganitong klaseng tanong tapos na-confuse sila kung paano isasagot. It's really simple, actually. PEMDAS lang. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Sa PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So, pasok muna tayo dito sa parenthesis, pero meron ditong exponent. So, yan ang unang-unang yung gagawin. Negative 4 squared. So, paano gawin yung negative 4 squared? Magiging positive siya. So, magiging positive 16. This is how I solve it. I don't use my scratch paper as much as possible. I write on the answer sheet. The reason for that is kasi pag minsan, di ba, kinopya natin to sa sarili natin scratch paper, minsan nakakalimutan natin isang negative or nagiging careless tayo na confuse tayo sa signs, nagiging addition yung subtraction or multiplication yung addition. So, ginagawa ko, sino-solve ko na siya doon sa mismong scratch paper para computerized, hindi ako naguguluhan. So, plus 16, ito, 9 times 6, mauuna ang multiplication sa addition. So, 9 times 6 is 45, 53? 54, sorry. Hindi ko memory sa multiplication table. Pasensya na kayo. Okay, it's one of my, weaknesses. Pero, I make do without it naman. So, 54 plus 16, that would be 70. Okay. Plus negative 16. So, alam ko, it will be lower than 70. Hindi na pwede to. Masyadong malayo to. Ang sagot ay letter C. Number 10. 594 bars of soap were packed in boxes for shipping. 12 boxes were filled and 18 bars were left behind. How many bars of soap are contained in each box? Ngayon, again, pag ginawa natin yung pinapagawa ng mga t-shirts natin elementary, write the given, right? 594, meron kang 12, meron kang 18. At tendency niyan is we get confused. Okay? Pero if you just first analyze the question, maraming steps dito. 594 bars, okay? Ito yung total. Okay? Ngayon yung 594 bars of soap, yan yung total na yan, all in all. Ngayon, meron 12 boxes na napuno, may 18 boxes na tira. Ang hinahanap ninyo kung ilan yung bars per box. So, ang first step na gagawin mo, this is actually backtracking if you think about it. Okay? So, meron kang 18, you start with the 18 bars of soap. So, kung hindi alam yung backtracking, you can watch the videos before. 18 bars of soap yung natira. Okay? So, ang goal mo is ma-account mo yung 4. So, para malaman mo kung ano yung number na i-multiply mo sa 12, ang gagawin mo would be yung 18, i-minus mo siya sa 594. So, ang maiiwan sa'yo would be 584, 76. Okay? 576 divided by 12. Okay? Ngayon, alam mo na ang hinahanap mo is 576. Okay? Kasi kung ano naman yung number na i-multiply mo sa 12. Right? Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang last digit rule, lalo na kung sanay na kayo. But, ang gagamitin nyo na would be trial and error. Ganito yon. 12 ang i-multiply mo. Ang target mo is 6 ang nasa dulong number. If you look at this, hindi siya pwede. Kasi 0 times 2 is 0. Ang 4 pa times 2, 6 ang dulo. Hindi, kasi it will be 8. So, hindi din siya pwede. 48, hindi din pwede kasi 8 times 2, 48 pwede kasi 8 times 2 is 16. So, ang last digit niya is still 6. So, that can work. Ito, tayo natin yung 42. 2 times 2 is 4. So, hindi na siya pwedeng sagot. So, ang answer mo is letter D. 48 bars. Alright? Alright, so I'm cutting this video right here. I want to keep these videos as short as possible. Para lang mas madaling i-upload at mapanood ninyo. The next video will feature me explaining kung paano naman makuha yung numbers 11 to 20. So keep an eye out for that. It will post really soon. You can click here to find that. And again, thank you for not sharing this with anyone else. This is exclusive to those who got the practice test kit. I hope you learned something, at least something new na pwede nyo gamitin sa exam ninyo. God bless sa pagre-review. Don't quit, okay? Keep reviewing, keep studying, keep praying, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.